Cold open. Ever wondered why we sneeze? It's a fascinating journey indeed. Sneezing is your body's way of removing irritants from your nose or throat. A sneeze begins with a tickling sensation in the nerve endings that sends a message to your brain. Your brain then responds by preparing a reflex that tightens your chest muscles, closes your eyes, and forces a burst of air out of your nose and mouth. It's your body's natural defense mechanism. Sneezes can travel at a speed of up to 100 miles per hour and can spread germs far and wide. So remember, always cover your nose and mouth when you sneeze to protect those around you. Fascinating, isn't it? Join us again for more intriguing insights into the human body. Until then, stay curious.